Welcome to Find My Farmer, a recipe generator based on ingredients available at your local farmer's market. The app begins when the user types in his or her zip code. On Submit, the React frontend uses Redux Thunk to make two fetch requests to the USDA Farmers Market API. The first fetch request returns a response with the address and ID number of the 3 nearest farmers markets to the previously entered zip code. The second fetch request uses the farmers market's IDs from the first request to return the categories of products available at those particular farmers markets. The results from both of those requests are stored in the Redux store, and we are routed to the next page. So let's give it a go. Awesome. The next page of the app is the ingredient page. Here, the user is given several ingredients to choose from. These ingredients are seeded in the front end and are rendered based on the season in which the user is using the app. So the user chooses as many ingredients as he or she likes, and those ingredients are stored in the Redux store. So I'm going to choose orange and beets. Great. You can see down below that these are the ingredients we've chosen. Great. And then we're going to click Find Recipes. And upon clicking Find Recipes, there's a fetch request made through the Rails backend to the Food to Fork API to generate recipes with the ingredients that we've already stored in the Redux store. So here we go. Awesome. Once we reach the recipe page, the user has the option of seeing recipe details through a modal like this, This modal comes from the Food to Fork website. Additionally, the user can save a recipe to his or her profile, which is on the Rails backend. So let's look for a recipe that looks good. How about the pork chops with roasted beets and oranges? Looks good. So let's save it. Great. And now once we've saved the recipes we think are interesting, we can go shopping and finally see the farmers markets that would have those recipe ingredients available. Great. So these are the 3 markets that were stored in our Redux store from the very first fetch request. And each of the maps is rendered through an iframe. And the very last feature is a profile page up here where we can see the user's saved recipes by clicking My Profile in the nav bar. And awesome, there is our pork chops, roasted beets, and orange recipe. So thanks so much for checking out Find My Farmer, a React, Redux, and Rails application. I hope you have really enjoyed the experience and that you are now inspired to cook some delicious meals.